Welcome. If you're looking to prevent group admins from deleting stories posted by others in your Telegram group, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest updates, managing admin permissions is easier and more detailed than ever. Today, I'll show you step by step how to turn off the ability for a specific admin to delete stories of other members, so you can keep your group's content secure and transparent. First, open your Telegram app and make sure you're logged in with an account that has the right to manage the group. Once you're in, find and open the group where you want to adjust the admin permissions. At the top of the group chat, tap on the group's name. This will take you to the group's profile and settings page. Here, look for the edit option, usually found as a pencil icon or the word edit, and tap on it to enter the group management settings. Next, scroll down and select the administrators section. This is where you'll see a list of all current admins in your group. Find the admin whose permissions you want to adjust and tap on their name to open their individual permissions page. Now, look for the section labeled Manage Stories. Under this, you'll see an option called Delete Stories of Others. If this is enabled, that admin can remove stories posted by any group member. To prevent this, simply toggle Delete Stories of Others off. Once you've made this change, don't forget to save your settings. The admin you selected will no longer be able to delete stories posted by other group members, giving you more control over your group's shared content and helping to maintain trust among your admin team. With these simple steps, you can confidently manage who has the power to remove stories in your Telegram group. Stay tuned for more tips on keeping your group organized and secure.